Lipa Rural Bank. Engineer Mario Silvino, President of Geodetic Engineers of the Philippines Region 4A. Engineer Efren Ilaw, President of the Geodetic Engineers Batangas Chapter. Tomas Rojas, U.S. Agency for International Development. At ang sentro na si Vladimir Sala. Ayun. Bigyan natin. Pedro Elmer Bascos. Wala. Maaari kong mention mga ating magigiting na panuhin na sila Ms. Vicky De Villa, Program Coordinator ng OS8. Mr. Jaime Faustino ng Asia Foundation. At ang mga kaibigan natin sa banking industry, Mr. Angelito Pamintuan, Assistant Vice President ng Bank of the Philippine Islands. Mr. Gerardo Magpantay, Vice President and Area Business Director ng BPI. Ulysses Atienza, Vice President ng RCBC Savings Bank. Ricky Estrada, President of Federation of Batangas Rural Bankers. Wala. I, on behalf of the Foundation for Economic Freedom, would like to congratulate the Cuenca Batangas beneficiaries of the Residential Free Patent Law, the result of a strong partnership among the LGU of Cuenca Batangas, the DNR Region 4A, and the Foundation for Economic Freedom. You will be joining over 55,000 beneficiaries since last year who have benefited from the law, which we, in partnership with the Chamber of Trade Banks and the Rural Bankers Association, helped pass in 2010. We hope to eventually cover all 6 million potential beneficiaries of the program with the help of progressive local government officials like Mayor Memo and the dedication of public servants in DNR, such as Raynul Powan and Regional Technical Director Francisco Mila Jr. With the strong support of the Asia Foundation and the U.S. Agency for International Development, we hope to eventually secure the property rights of 6 million families, unlock billions of debt capital, unleash an entrepreneurial revolution by enabling landowners to get access to credit, strengthen our democracy, and promote social peace and stability. The objectives of this program are several. First, in the economic field, to start and sustain an entrepreneurial revolution by enabling landowners to get access to credit. With a formal title in their hands, landowners will get easier access to credit to start a business or invest in themselves through education. Unlike the agricultural free patents or the Certificate of Land Ownership Award or CLOA, under the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, residential free patents carry no restrictions or prohibitions. The beneficiaries are free to sell, mortgage, subdivide, or dispose of them as they wish, as any normal title. Landowners will not be beholden to the government, whether by debt or restrictions. On the part of LGUs, the economic impact will be in the increased government revenues from titled landowners who will be more willing to pay taxes and from the increased values caused by the formalization of land ownership. We also hope to see the unlocking of debt capital as the issuance of formal certificates of land ownership, as evidenced by unrestricted free patents, will lead to more lending by banks. We are witnessing this today with the active participation of Lipa Bank in this tightening program. We are also hoping that the other banks here today will actively participate in the program we call Property Rights for Economic Progress. Our vision is that the government, through DENR and the LGUs, will partner with civil society, represented by the Foundation for Economic Freedom, and the private sector, represented by the banks, to push this meritorious program forward. Second, in the political field, our goal is to strengthen democracy. By removing the uncertainty over their property and securing their property rights, we believe that citizens will be less beholden to the powers that be. Secure landowners will act as a bulwark against tyranny. We believe that the demand for better and more accountable government will increase from tax-paying titled landowners. We also believe that property owners will see the correlation between their democratic freedoms, the freedom of the press, the freedom of assembly, and the right to an efficient judicial system in the defense of their property. May importanteng kalagahan po ang pagbibigay sa inyo na matibay na karapatang pang-ari ng lupa. Sa aming paniniwala, lalakas po ang ating demokrasya. Una, hindi basta-basta pwedeng agawin ng gobyerno ang lupa ninyo o mas kasino man, general man siya o politiko, ngayong titulo na ang hawak ninyo. Ang paghahawak nyo sa titulo ay isang baluarte laban sa paninir. Makikita nyo na ang mga kalayaan natin, ang kalayaang magsalita, ang kalayaang magtipon, ang kalayaan ng papahayag, ay kailangan upang maipagtanggol ang mga karapatan natin bilang may-ari ng lupa. Mapapaghalagahan niyo ang paggana ng tamang sistema ng hustisya sapagkat ito po ang kasiguran na maipagtatanggol natin ng tamang ating mga karapatan bilang may-ari ng lupa. Ika nga, sa wikang Ingles, secure property rights is a blow for the cause of liberty. Lastly, in the social field, we hope to see increased peace and social stability. We hope to see fewer conflicts over land once land parcels are registered and titled. There will be fewer questions about who really owns a property, and once titled, the land can be bought, sold, or subdivided among heirs. Disagreements will be settled to the marketplace and not through guns or the courts. Finally, we hope to see a revolution in institutions. We're seeing this initiative to title property being waged by local governments with the cooperation of national agencies. We are witnessing innovative forms of national-local partnership, such as the local land management councils. Civil society, as represented by banks for the private sector, is also participating actively in the tightening process and in the land management councils. Cadastral information is being used not only for ownership identification, but also for governance in matters like health, peace and order, and tax collection. Cuenca is one of the growing number of LGUs, now over 100 nationwide, which have established land management offices. LGUs are seeing that land in the land of their constituents is the most valuable resource that has to be administered and managed properly. Itong mahalagang okasyon na ito ay hindi mangyayari kung walang matinding kooperasyon ng DENR, Tacloban ng pamahalaan ng Cuenca. Dahil nagpapasalamat po kami kay Mayor Remo sa kanyang tulong at pamumuno. Sa pamamagitan ng matinding tambalan ng DENR at mga progresibong mayor malayo ang maaabot ng programang ito. Nagpapasalamat rin uli kami sa Asia Foundation at sa USAID sa mga tulong na inabot nila at pagpapakita ng pagkakaisa sa programang ito. Nagpapasalamat rin po kami kay Mr. Johnson Melo at Virgilio Morada ng Lipa Rural Bank at sa Geodetic Engineers Association of the Philippines sa kanilang taus-pusong partisipasyon sa okasyong ito. Nagpapasalamat rin po kami sa mga ibang bangkong na nandito na nagpakita sa bagong beneficiaries na handa silang suportahan ang mga recipients ng residential free patent sa pamamagitan ng loans at ibang serbisyo ng bangko. Finally, we would like to thank all our guests for taking time out of their busy schedules to be part of this important event in the history of Cuenca. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you so much, Mr. Calixto Chiquianco from